Flexibility is strength. How adaptability reflects nervous system capacity. This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 132. Strength is often seen as resistance, holding position, not changing. But biologically, strength looks different. Rigid systems break under pressure. Flexible systems adjust. A regulated nervous system can shift states without losing coherence. It can speed up, slow down, engage, disengage without collapsing. This is not instability. It is controlled variation. Adaptation requires energy and access to multiple states. Flexibility means the system has options. Strength is not staying the same. It is the ability to change without losing structure. Next episode: how resilient systems recover after disruption. If this resonates, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. It helps the channel grow. This work is created independently. If it supports you, support link is available on the channel page. Thank you.